What's up, guys? Join me for the Dapper Dialogue with Hub. Hi, this is Shiroy. I'm a celebrity stylist and a creative director. I think fashion is art, and art is a form of expression. Its ever dynamic nature is what excites me the most. The very fact that a fit can make you feel a certain way is reason enough to always be excited to style one. Style, I think, cannot be taught. It is inborn. It is like a talent that is hidden, which you basically potentially work on through experiences from maybe celebrity fashion, digital platforms, red carpet looks, high fashion campaigns, and also the environment that is in your close proximity. My favorite style icons: Maluma, Timothée Chalamet, and the very charming Jonathan Bailey. Watch this space for more.